Welcome to another edition of Holiday Weather, where we provide you with the weather and climate information for the top holiday destinations from across the globe. This month we're heading to 5 popular destinations down under in Australia and New Zealand. First up, we start in balmy Brisbane, Queensland. There's loads of places to visit, including the famous Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, which is also home to kangaroos, wombats and a variety of reptiles. Why not visit the islands and beaches of nearby Moreton Bay, one of Brisbane's best kept secrets? Although situated in the tropical cyclone risk area, such climatic events are rare in Brisbane. In October, temperatures are a lot cooler than the hot and humid summers later in the year. Remember, the seasons are reversed down under, and you can look forward to a maximum temperature of around 26 degrees Celsius, 64 millimetres of rain and 8 hours of sunshine. Back in cold Blighty, it's more like a chilly 13 degrees. Next we head south, 575 miles along the Pacific Highway to the stunning city of Sydney in New South Wales, a hugely popular tourist destination. There are so many iconic places to take in: the beautiful Harbour Bridge, the famous Opera House, to name a few. The city boasts some of the world's most famous beaches. Take a trip across the harbour on one of the many ferries that regularly ply across its blue waters. Sydney enjoys a warm yet temperate climate all year round due to the sea's proximity. In October, temperatures are around 23 degrees with a maximum of 83 millimetres of rain and 8 hours of sunshine. From Sydney to cosmopolitan Melbourne, capital of Victoria. With its multicultural population, the city offers a whole wide variety of choices of cuisines and many cafes and restaurants. Attractions include the National Gallery of Victoria, the Melbourne Museum and the spectacular Melbourne Zoo, to name a few. Outside the city, why not take in the fantastic vineyard tours in the Yarra Valley, or maybe a scenic drive along the stunning Great Ocean Road. It's slightly cooler than other cities we visited in Oz, coming in at around 21 degrees, 66 millimetres of rain and 7 hours of sunshine. A short flight across the Tasman Sea and we land in Auckland, the principal city of New Zealand, situated on its North Island. Auckland is the largest city in New Zealand with around 1.4 million people, representing around 1/3 of New Zealand's population. Take a view from Sky Tower, the tallest freestanding structure in the Southern Hemisphere, or visit the city's wide selection of museums and galleries. It's also known as the City of Sails, so take a water tour to enjoy the sights of its magnificent harbour. Temperatures are mild, as you can see, it's 18 degrees Celsius, but be warned, October is one of the city's wettest months with around 94 millimetres of rainfall and 6 hours of sunshine, so pack accordingly. Then for our last destination, we take a short hop and we're on the South Island of the city to Christchurch on the Pacific Ocean. Christchurch is one of the few places in the world where you could go skiing, whale watching and bungee jumping, all within 2 hours of the city. But the city is also worth exploring too, using its historic trams to take in the sights. These include the newly built cardboard cathedral, replacing its much older relative that now sits in ruins after the devastating earthquake that hit the city back in 2011. Temperatures here are cool at this time of year at around 16 degrees Celsius, with 49 millimetres of rain and 6 hours of sunshine. That's all we have time for, but go to our website for more holiday weather information and we look forward to seeing you again next month. Bye for now.